everybody. How's it going? Hey. All right. Yeah. Will Van Wickler out of Falmouth, Maine. I got in this business 4 years ago. I was 19 years old at the time, and I was a broke college student. I was trying to make some money. And I did the conventional real estate model for, I feel like 20 minutes. It was my first year in the business where I was doing, open houses. I was doing the door-to-door. It was during COVID. And I quickly realized I'm an introvert and I hate doing this conventional real estate stuff. I don't know if you can relate to that, but it's just not fun, right? If you don't want to do it, why force it? So I quickly realized, I'm like, I got to find a way to make this business work for me because I saw the income potential. I just didn't know how I could get there, right? I didn't have a database. I didn't have a sphere of influence. I wasn't the mayor of the town. I was 19 years old. All my friends were poor. They're not buying and selling houses, right? And all my friends' parents, they had real estate agents. So I had to find a way to scale lead generation that worked for me and also on a budget and on my timeline, right? I didn't have 6 years to grow a farm. I didn't have all this money to invest in internet leads, and I wanted business quickly. And the other thing is I wanted to focus on listings because as an introvert, working with listing clients takes about half the time as it does working with buyers. I don't have to drive people around. I don't have to ask them, how T-ball was or make small talk because I'm pretty awkward. And also I could make more money doing it. So I started researching models and systems that were proven to take listings without farming, without paying for leads. And I came across this thing called the golden letter. And the best part is I didn't invent it. It was a KWU model in a system, and I literally just took it, copied it, and ran with it. And it took my business from making $100,000 a year to over $1 million a year. And it made me a dominant listing agent in the market, where now I take 25 to 30 listings a year off past client referrals, and a lot of people I've actually met off of this letter. It's also helped scale my investment business, flipping and building houses and doing things like that. So what's awesome about the golden letter is it's 4 simple steps. And all it is, it's a MOFR, a make offer for immediate response. So if you've ever read Shift, right, we need to get people's attention. So we're making a very simple offer. I'm just asking, hey, would you sell your house to a client of mine? And if so, call me on my cell phone. So I have a piece of mail. It's just a piece of paper. It says, Dear Will, would you sell your house at 123 Main Street to a client of mine? If so, call me on my cell phone. That's it. When I saw this system, I'm like, there's no way it works. There's just no way. It's too simple. And the limiting beliefs start to kick in. Hey, it's not professional. It doesn't have my picture on it. And then I just said, you know what? Screw it. Let me try this thing. So I made these letters that had my name on them. I said, hey, would you sell your house to a client of mine? I picked an area in Maine that I wanted to work in with a good price point, low competition, and high turnover. And I sent these things out. And I remember I took my first listing that way. I made $15,000, and I said, this is it. I'm going to put that $15,000 right back into that system, and now here we are today. So the 4 simple steps with this golden letter is identify your area. So I found an area that had a great price point. It was a place I wanted to work. I knew the homes in that area, and I had buyers for them. And I knew I could take the listings, right? So find your area. The second is pull your list. So find the data. Right? So whether it's pre-foreclosures, expired listings, second homes, we've got to find the data and get that list ready, right? You can't mail these out without finding the addresses. So I have the owner's first name, their last name, their mailing address, and there you go. That's step 2. So once we have all this information, we've got to get these ready. So we're just putting these in white envelopes with a stamp on them and the person's name. So we use mailing labels for these letters now. It wasn't always that way. I used to handwrite these things by myself. I could do like 50 in a day. But now we've scaled into doing, print labels. And the biggest thing with these is these are all supplies that you can buy at your office supply store. And that was what was really important and attractive to me about this system as a college student with no money, so I could do these myself, right? So we have our list. We know who we're sending these to. We've put these together. And the 4th step is let the phone ring. So we put these in the mail, and within a week, you're going to have people start calling you and asking about this buyer you have, or sometimes they'll just say, hey, I need someone to sell my house. You'd be shocked at how many people do that. And that's the power of the MOFR, is we're literally just asking if they'd sell their house, right? We're not changing it. We're not manipulating it. We're not changing the verbiage of it because of it's a luxury property or it's a piece of land. It's literally just, would you sell your house to a client of mine? And if so, call me on my cell phone. So these people are going to start calling you on your phone. And that's a pretty great feeling. I don't know about you, but I love when people call me instead of making outbound calls, right? Especially people that want to sell their house. So they're going to start calling. And then from there, we just need to talk to them and convert the business. So my number one rule of thumb is I want to set the appointment within 24 hours. And from there, I can get in front of people. We can have listing conversations and figure out what's best for them. But that's literally the system. It's a mofer on a white piece of paper, and it creates listing business, right? The limiting beliefs with this system is it's too simple. And I think that's why I love it, right? I haven't manipulated it, I haven't changed it, but it's really simple, and that's why it works. Print marketing is so effective today because it gets their attention in a time where people have zero attention span, right? They're on Instagram, they're on TikTok, they're scrolling, they're getting a notification, they have a crying baby in their hand. If you're like me, you open your mail over the trash can and you're flipping through this stuff and you're gonna throw away most of it, right? But if you get something with a forever stamp on it, addressed to your name, and then you open it and it's a letter that has your name on it, it's hand signed at the bottom, you're probably gonna pick up the phone, right? And if you don't, you throw it away, it's because they have no interest. So that's what's great about this system is it's pre-qualifying the people before they even reach out to you, right? So these people are raising their hand and they wanna have a conversation with you. They're picking up the phone and calling you. So they've already vetted themselves as somebody that's probably pretty qualified, right? So for every 1,000 I send out, I get at least 10 calls. And with those 10 calls, I'll usually set 2 to 3 appointments, right? So my average closing is costing me about $1,200. And we're taking really good listings in a low inventory market and we're bringing inventory to the market, whether that's condos, single family land, whatnot. It works in every state, every asset class, and it's extremely simple. And that is why I love the golden letter is people are calling me, I don't have to call them, right? And how this changed my business was once you start taking listings, what comes with listings? Buyers, right? So once you get the signs in the ground, you can make all your Facebook and social media posts about these listings you're taking. You can do open houses. You can scale this lead generation model to grow your business. And that's where I went from making around $200,000 a year to well over $1 million. It wasn't just off of sending 100,000 letters, right? But once you start doing business and you have that momentum, your business is going to grow exponentially. So that's the simple golden letter system. It's so simple, I don't even need the 15 minutes here. But it's 4 steps. You can make a lot of money doing it, and it's a TCPA compliant lead generation method, and it's low cost, and anybody can do it. Doesn't matter where you are.